When it's time to serve dinner, breakfast, you find yourself using oven mitts or towels to protect your table from hot pans or hot dishes. Well, you can actually use trivets. These are 100% silicone, heat safe up to 500 degrees and Fahrenheit, and they are stored in this cute little dish that looks like a succulent when it's just sitting on your table. Absolutely love it. So these come in various sizes from 4 to 6 inches. So starting off with your small one here, and then going all the way up to your 6-incher. Now, I like to use these because they just look so much nicer on the table than an ugly towel. So, whether you're pulling a hot casserole out of your oven or maybe a hot pan off the stove, sits nicely right on the trivets, no burning your table, and no damage to your pan or anything. Nothing melts on the bottom because these are safe up to a very high heat. So if you're just looking for a cute way to make your table look better, I highly recommend these cute little silicone trivets.